Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. We're going to start a new tutorial series where we're going to design this musician's homepage using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is basically how it looks. We can see that we have this hero section with this video background, and when you hover over this, we can see that we have this horror effect, and we have the horror effect over here as well. And then we have these menu items over here. And if you scroll down, we can see this section over here, and this is not a working section, we're just designing it. And then we have these buttons over here, and we have the IG, YouTube and Spotify links. And if you scroll down, we have the latest drops over here. So we have these hover effects for these items. And then if you scroll down, we can see that we have the World Tour tickets and things displayed over here. So we also have the horror effects over here. And then if you scroll down, we have another section where it is kind of like the email subscription. And then if you scroll down, we have the footer. So this is how this website is structured. And this is also completely responsive. So this is how it will look on a smartphone. So we have this menu icon over here, and the text size has decreased. And if you scroll down, we can see that we have these latest drops displayed over here. And then we have the World Tour, and it is all displayed one below the other. And then we have the subscription section and the footer. So this is basically what we're going to design in this tutorial series. So this was just a demo video of the website. From the next video, we will start writing the code. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.